guys, it's Lacey. I'm making another Inkbox video. This one is not going to be as detailed as my last one, but if you want to see a more detailed one, you can go check it out. I'll link it up in the cards or in the description, or both. The last video I did it right here. In this video I'm planning on doing it right here. Depending on where you put it is how long it will last. So these both have a different like lasting time, or however you phrase it. You might want to go watch the other one first because I kind of want to compare it to the last time. And like I said, the other one was more in detail. But let's get started with the video. So far the package is looking kind of how it did last time. It has a different picture on the front, but everything else seems to be the same. The back looks the same. So when I open it up, it has the same things that it did last time. This tattoo says, "Take every chance, drop every fear." I'm going to be putting it right here. So for the forearm, it says it's going to have a fresh look for 1 to 6 days, and then a faded look for 7 to 12 days. And it tells you about the pre-application. Again, you can go watch my other video. So it says, first, prep skin with primer wipe. Exfoliate area with primer wipe for 30 seconds. Wait 30 seconds for area to dry. And while I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm going to go ahead and open up the tattoo package. I'm going to get closer so you can see what I'm doing. I'm not sure if you can read it because of the lighting, but it says to peel off tattoo backing next, so I'm going to go and get that off. Trying to read it to make sure I don't put it on the wrong way. It's hard to put it on. And that's how it looks right there. Last time it was a little wrinkled too, but it came out fine. So hopefully it'll come out fine this time, even though this time I'm doing like a word tattoo. So this is what it looks like. It says to leave it on for 60 minutes, so I will do that. And then I will show how it looks in a day. I was trying to find a place with better lighting, so we're outside now. So this thing started like to peel off already. I think it was because I was editing the video. It's supposed to take 24 to 36 hours to develop, but I think it looks pretty good already. And it hurts. Here's an up close. You can see the wrinkles, but hopefully this will go away. The way they make it is so weird, so it's kind of hard to put it on without getting wrinkles, but it looks fine for the most part. Hi, hair change. It's been about 4 hours and it's okay, I had to move, but it's been about 4 hours. If it'll like focus. It's been about 4 hours. It looks pretty good. Here's what it looks like. It's been a little over a day. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. I will be making more Inkbox videos, so I'll link that playlist in the description. Like and subscribe down below if I didn't already say that.